Imagine turning your art, music, videos, or even posts into something people can actually own, and maybe even trade. That's what Zora lets creators do. You can take your work, mint it as a digital collectible, and put it out into a marketplace where anyone can buy it. But it doesn't stop at just selling once. You can set it up so every time your work changes hands, you get a piece of that resale. And there's another twist: creator coins. Think of them like your own mini cryptocurrency tied to your profile. Fans can buy them, and if your audience grows, the value of those coins can grow too, giving you another layer of opportunity. Plus, there are small rewards every time your creator coin is traded, and Zora even has its own token system that can reward creators who publish popular work, join early campaigns, or participate in special projects. Of course, nothing here happens automatically. Your success depends on the content you create, how people respond to it, and how much effort you put into sharing it. And because it's all on the blockchain, it's smart to be careful and double-check transactions to avoid scams. By the end of the day, Zora isn't just another platform. It's a way to experiment with your creativity, connect with fans in a new way, and explore ideas that could grow in value over time.